Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. And today we're going to make a table and an equation given a linear situation. Make a table and an equation given a linear situation. So we're going to take a look at some word problems. We're going to fill out the table, and from that, make an equation. So let's take a look at our first example. Alright, here it says Sydney needs to lease out a music studio to record a new album. The studio charges an initial studio fee of $500 plus an hourly fee of $150. Make a table of the values and then write the equation for P in terms of T to represent the amount of money Sydney would have to pay to use the studio for T hours. Okay? Alright, so here, this is what we're doing. We know that the initial amount of money is $500. Okay, and then we're going to keep adding 150 every time. So at 0 hours, you got to pay 500 just to get in there. So that's $500. Now after 1 hour, you're going to get charged another 150, and we add that to the 500 and get 650. Then after 2, we add another 150, and we get 800. And after 3, we're going to add another 150, or you could really say 3 times 150 added to the 500. So 3 times 150 added to the 500 here will get you 950. Okay? Alright, so we made the table. Now what we got to do is make the function here. Okay? So this is how it's going to work. We want to make it in terms of P. Represent P in terms of T. Okay, so what we're saying is this: the price, the total amount of, and I'm gonna put P here to represent that, and T to represent the total number, or to represent the time, the hours. So the price would be equal to what? What would the price be equal to? Well, it would be equal to the $500 plus $150 times the number of hours we're going to have. And that's it. So what you want to do is fill out the table and then write the function just like that. And let me see if I can write this a little better. It's the price plus, it's equal to 500 plus 150 times the number of hours you use. Alright, so you can go ahead and pause the video here and see if you can solve this one. Okay, so on this one, this should be what you get. You should get 150, 190, 230, and 270. So, and your function should be the cost. The cost is going to be equal to $150, the initial price to get to the gym, plus the $40 that you paid times the number of months you've been at the gym. So that's your total cost. Alright, let's take a look at another example. Alright, here it says when Nolan left his house this morning, his cell phone was 30% charged, and it then started to lose 5% charge for each hour thereafter. Write an equation for B, I'm thinking that's battery life, in terms of T representing the charge remaining in Nolan's battery as a percentage. T hours after Nolan left his house. Okay? So, here's the deal. This is similar to the ones we just did, but we start at a certain spot, and instead of going up, we go down. So since we're going down, we're not going to add, we're going to subtract. So we're going to start off with 30% charged, and then at 0 hours, and then 5 is going down every time. So you take away 5, get 25, take away another 5, get 20, take away another 5, get 15. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and make the function. So the battery life, B, is equal to where we began with, 30%. But instead of adding, we're subtracting 5% times the number of hours since he left the house, which would be T. Alright, now take a look at this next one and see if you can solve this one. Alright, this should be what you get. Okay, so Jay started with 24 cookies and, is it cookies? Chocolates. 24 chocolates. And he ate 3 every night. So 24 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3. So you begin with 24, you subtract 3 times the number of days past the birthday. Okay? And that is making a table and a linear function given a particular situation. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.